Imagine a unique beverage designed specifically for your plants, acting as a powerful solution that enhances their growth and strength. Watering your young plants with it results in them growing stronger and healthier. It's as if they're being given a powerful surge to accelerate their development. This mix contains essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are crucial for maintaining the health of plants. However, it gets even better. Additionally, it contains a rich blend of amino acids, vitamins, and hormones that promote optimal growth in your plants. And here's the most exciting part. This product is suitable for use at all stages of your plant's life, from small seedlings to fully grown plants. Just give them this mixture and observe their remarkable growth. It's as if you're providing your plants with a powerful tool to promote unstoppable growth. This unique beverage is known as manure tea. Making manure tea at home is a simple process that yields a powerful homemade fertilizer for your garden. To start, you'll need about 2 kilograms of fully decomposed manure, which is roughly 4.4 pounds. Place this manure in a breathable cloth, forming a sack. Then fill a 5-gallon bucket with 10 to 15 liters of water. Rainwater is ideal if you have it. Submerge the manure sack in the bucket, ensuring it's completely covered by the water. Place a loose lid on the bucket to prevent insects from getting in while still allowing air to circulate. Let the bucket sit for about 1 to 2 weeks. The longer it steeps, the stronger the manure tea will become. After 2 weeks, remove the manure sack from the bucket. What you're left with is a concentrated liquid fertilizer packed with nutrients. Before using the manure tea on your plants, dilute it by mixing 1 part of the tea with 10 parts water. This dilution ensures the tea is gentle enough for your vegetables while still providing them with a boost of nutrients. Manure tea is rich in essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are crucial for plant growth. It also contains a variety of micronutrients and beneficial microbes that help improve soil health. These microbes can enhance the soil structure, making it easier for plants to absorb nutrients and water. Using manure tea in your garden offers several benefits. Firstly, it promotes robust plant growth by providing a steady supply of nutrients. Secondly, it improves soil health by adding beneficial microbes that enhance nutrient availability and soil structure. Finally, manure tea helps to increase the overall fertility of your garden, leading to healthier and more productive plants. In summary, manure tea is a fantastic homemade fertilizer that is easy to make and highly beneficial for your garden. It's an excellent way to recycle manure and improve your soil and plant health naturally. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.